sat back with the window down, 80 an hour and the radio loud. The same songs with the same old rhymes.
So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I kind of went with a matte look on the lids and then a little bit of a highlight in the inner corner, but very simple. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Thank you. So I already went ahead and primed my eyes off camera, but I'm gonna take the also Sassy shade from the new Dose of Colors Sassy Sienas, and all I'm gonna do is place that in the crease and make sure to like blend it in. Start with the light hand and then kind of build it up. I kind of want to make this like my transition color. After that, I'm gonna take the shade Bossy and I'm gonna intensify and make the color more vibrant. So just make sure you apply that to the outer V and the crease and just kind of blend it in together and just kind of work with it. These colors are really nice and pigmented, so you really don't need a lot of product. Then going in with Brassy, I'm gonna apply that to the outer V and kind of darken out the outer corner, and this is gonna help to like create that nice ombre effect. So just make sure you like work with it and like take your time building this color up. It's just to really darken out the colors, and make sure you always go back to blend the other shades together. And then I'm gonna take the shade Stay Sassy from the palette, and I'm just gonna apply that to the outer V as well, and this is also gonna help like darken it up a lot more and intensify the color a lot more too. So yeah, make sure you always go back. I go back with the other shade, this brassy color, and like blend it together, and then go with the Bossy shade and like blend those all three together. But yeah, make sure you always blend. So I'm gonna take the Colourpop No Filter concealer, and all I'm gonna do is like cut the crease. I'm gonna use a concealer brush, and you want to make sure you cut like, well, you don't take it all the way to the outer V. You want to make sure you take it 3/4 of the way and just kind of clean up any fallout or like any mess. This will give you an easy way to like put that white. So I'm going into the Big Browns, and I'm going into Tea Light, and I'm just gonna apply that to where we put the concealer to set it, and then going back with that shade Brassy, I'm gonna blend these two together because you don't want that harsh line. So just make sure you blend them together, and then it's a like process, so make sure you go back and forth and like apply the amount of Tea Light and Brassy to make them look good. After you're satisfied, you just kind of want to make sure you blend out all the edges and everything together. I'm gonna take a makeup wipe and just clean out the edge to give it that crisp line. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. So for lashes, I'm gonna take the Cocoa lashes in the shade Misha. These are really nice and simple, like wispy lashes. They're really one of my favorite lashes to wear. So continue on to the face, I'm gonna be using the Smashbox Studio Finish foundation in 3.1, and I'm just gonna apply that with the dome brush. I just usually apply this way. It gives me such a nice, like, it helps me fill in my pores, and just going in with the beauty blender and pushing it into the skin. So for concealer, I'm going to take the Nars creamy concealer in Custard, and just apply that underneath the eyes. I'm gonna apply it on the bridge of the nose, on the tip of the nose, on the cupid's bow, on the chin, and on the forehead. And then going in with the beauty blender, just blend all over that in. So to set everything, I'm just going to use some translucent setting powder. This is like a mixture of all my favorite translucent powders mixed together.
Sat back with the window down, 80 an hour and the radio loud. The same songs with the same old vibes. Tell me to shake it off and swing from the lights, but I can't help it, drive away from all the mess you make.
And you kind of just want to set everywhere you set everything else, where you set everything, where you put your concealer. So to contour, I'm going to take the Tarte Contour Palette, and I'm going to be mixing shade 3 and 4, and just apply that to the hollows of the cheekbones. So to bronze up the skin, I'm going to use the Alexix Red times Colourpop collaboration, and I'm going to take the shade Topaz, and I'm just gonna bronze up the skin. And I'm not being too precise with this one. I just kind of want to bronze up the skin and give more color to the skin so it doesn't look so pale. For blush today, I'm taking the Tarte blush in Angelic and Fortunate, and I'm just gonna be mixing those two for a nice like peachy blush. For highlighter today, I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty highlighting palette, and I'm gonna take this gold shade. I'm not gonna try to pronounce that. I'm just taking a Morphe brush, apply that to the highest point of the face, so the cheekbones, the cupid's bow, the tip of the nose, and the bridge of the nose. So to continue on the lower lash line, I'm just gonna do the same things I did at the top. So going in with the first shade, also Sassy, I'm just gonna go ahead and like blend that out, and then taking a more defining brush, I'm gonna take Brassy and apply that to the outer thirds, as well as Stay Sassy. And just make sure you blend it out. I'm gonna take a bigger brush and blend it out. For the lipstick, I'm taking the Dose of Colors Knock on Wood liquid lipstick. This lipstick is such a pretty nude, and I feel like it looks really good for like tan skin. For lip gloss, I'm gonna top it off with Over the Top lip gloss by Dose times Katie times Desi Perkins collaboration, and that kind of completes this look. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment. Thank you.